everyone, thank you for joining me. So today's video is going to be super quick because I just want to share with you the March kit that I got from Scrapbooking with Me, and we're going to just really jump right on in. So this month's kit was based off of, or was the focus was Whimsical by Paige Evans through Pink Paisley, and they didn't have the individual, like the double-sided sheets available, so I did um, the actual paper pack. You do get two of each sheet. They're single-sided, but I love the fact that you can still, fussy cut a lot of the patterns. That some of the sheets actually have a copper foil accent, which gives it, added interest. So some of the ones that you see me bend and kind of move around, I'm trying to show you some of the foil. See on that one, you can see some of the foil highlights on there. And I was going back one because I thought I had seen another sheet that had some of the foil. And then we have the clouds, really pretty flowers. There's foil on the stripes there, which is fun. Definitely love the rainbow. And you get a total of 36 sheets. And this one I thought was super fun because a lot of the wording is either got like a frame around it, but you could individually fussy cut those out and use them as titles. A star sheet here that has the foil accents, and the one before that had it was like an ombre. So very pretty collection, very bright and vibrant colors. And then with this kit, we also get the stencil from Prima. I'm going to try and pull it out so you can see it. It's really fun. I like this one. It has sort of like a diamond shape. I want to say it's like a 6x6 size. And then to go along with the actual stencil, we have the Nuvo Expanding Mousse. And this mousse is fun because it adds texture, but if you heat it up with your heating tool, it actually kind of it grows, like it foams up. So it'll be fun to play with. And I like that the one I got was actually the blue, so it actually goes really well as a nice accent to this whole paper collection. So we have those. And then it also comes with the puffy stickers. And those coordinate with the Whimsical collection. I'm trying to show you all of that. And then I also got the alphas. Now I love this side because obviously it has like the rainbow color with the all the colors, and then on the back you have, it's like a real soft pale pink, really pretty alphas. And then the last item, instead of doing your typical ephemera, I decided to add the flowers, which is, I think this set is the first one where she did this, where the flowers were separate. But you get all these pieces. So you get the foil accent, you get the regular, green leaves and the flowers. We get so many pieces in this collection, in that, group of flowers. So that is our kit. I'm going to have some close-ups here as we finish out the video. So on scrapbookingwithme.com, sometimes if there's an extra kit, she will put it on there, so you guys can definitely take a look at that. And I have links to the .com down below. If you do decide to purchase, you can use my coupon code, which is TT15, and that will give you an additional 15% off, as long as the item that you're getting isn't already on like the special sale. Anything on there, you won't be able to get the extra discount on, okay? So thank you guys again for joining me. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and I look forward to sharing some projects using this collection with you guys. So definitely keep an eye out for that, and I hope you have a great day.